happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Happy 15th birthday. We're celebrating here for you in New Hampshire. Yay! Happy birthday. Okay, before we make you dizzy, we'll sign off, but we just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. We love you. Whee! Have a good weekend. Bye.